Welcome back everyone, and let's continue this series on Python. So in the last video we discussed we learned about anonymous functions, function with no name, and lambda. And today we're gonna take out factorial of a number using Python. So if you don't know about factorial, I may tell you. So if I say 1 factorial, it is 1 in no. If I say 2 factorial, it will be 2 into 1. And if I say 3 factorial, it will be 3 into 2 into 1. If I say 4 factorial, it will be 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If I say 5 factorial, it will be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And so on. So I think you understood the meaning of factorial. And now we're going to take out a factorial using Python. So first I'm going to define a function, def fact of a number x. Okay, so now as I can't write x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 like this, so I will write here for I in range. As you know, in a range, if I say 5 factorial, I need to find 5 factorial, so I'll say, so the range would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and anything multiplied to 0 is 0 only. So I'll do this: 1, comma n plus 1. Oh no, x plus 1. Right? And now I can name a variable name f. I can say f is equal to 1, and then f is equal to f into I. Okay, that's fine. And now let's take a factorial number. I say you can say 5. Now I'm going to run the code. Why hasn't it come yet? Let's check. Oh, we forgot something. Return f. Now let's run the code. As you can see, let's try 5 into 4, which is 20, 20 into 3, which is 60, 60 into 2, which is 120, 120 into 1 is 120, and we found a factorial of 5. And now here I can say 6 also, which is 720, I know that. Then I can take 100 also. Let's try. I unfortunately don't know that. Now I have here. Now let's shift. No, such a long number. And if you want to check how it works, I told you, do like this, and I'm do like this, then right click, do like this, then do run, then debug, and then you can see this. I showed you in my previous videos. Wait a minute, I can reduce this. Yes, okay, so I'm gonna end the video here only. If you like the video, then please press the like button, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, then what are you waiting for? It has still 90 subscribers. So I want to see you next time. Till then, bye bye.